Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Dr. Yvette. So in today's short video, I wanted to show you me cleaning up my rose bushes. Caring for my flowers as a beginning gardener is a lot of work to me. And what I mean by a lot of work is that every day and a half, I go out and I tend to my roses to make sure that they're not getting disease, not getting any black spots, because I've heard that roses really have to be tended to for the first 3 years to make sure that they are just doing well and that they are producing how they should. So this video consists of me cleaning up most of my rose bushes, and then me and my husband putting a obelisk on 2 of them because they're not climbing roses, but the package or the label from Heirloom Roses said that they will get 3 to 4 feet tall. And so I want to just make sure that I'm able to keep them sturdy and let them do what they're going to do within this first year. And then later on in this week, I'm going to be moving on to the second part of my garden, which is to do a water garden and all of the different beds that'll surround that. But for now, I'm just tending to my roses, and eventually in this rose park, I'm going to plant more roses into the ground, and I'm going to mulch out the area that's there in front of the roses and just under the swings. So it looks like a nice little rose park. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, just enjoy the cleanup I'm doing around my rose garden. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Okay, here you see me picking up the rose petal on this rose here, but this is exactly why I got the obelisk, because this rose, which is in the peace family, will also get 3 to 4 feet tall. And I just want to make sure that I'm able to keep them upright so that they are lovely and producing how they should. And then I go on to cut away dead leaves or leaves with spots on them. And I eventually pick up all of the old dropped petals and leaves and other debris that have gotten inside the pot. Like this area is full of pine trees, so there are pine needles in my pot quite often. Here, me and my husband are putting together the obelisk. It is a very hard plastic, much like a PCP pipe, but we're putting it together so that we can push it down over the rose without damaging it or leaning the plastic to one side and damage the roots. So it really doesn't take two people unless you're doing your best to not try to damage the roots of the rose. And I opted for the hard plastic first before I go and get one that's a nice stainless steel or metal, just because I wanted to make sure that I enjoy the flower growing up tall versus it keeping it pruned down like it should be in the winter time, cutting it back. But I think I do want it to grow up tall just because of the swing set that's behind it. And I think it'll give it a very pretty look, but we'll see. And then if I am happy with it growing up tall, then I will replace this hard plastic with a metal one. But also, I'll link below this obelisk. It wasn't very much on Amazon, but I'll link it below in the description box.